Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I confidently call the best RobeCurls product on the market, the RobeCurls Satin Scrunchies 5-pack in black. If you're someone who values comfort, style, and hair health, this is one video you won't want to skip. Let's break it down. Now, most scrunchies promise to be gentle on your hair, but few actually deliver like this set from RobeCurls. These satin scrunchies aren't just cute, they're a complete upgrade from your average hair tie. The satin fabric has a premium shine and silky finish that not only looks luxurious but also plays a major role in preventing hair damage. You see, traditional elastic bands tug and pull at your hair, often leading to breakage, creases, and frizz. But RobeCurls uses a high-quality satin that is softer than silk. Yes, softer than silk. It's lightweight and smooth, gliding across your hair without creating friction. That means no tugging, no snapping, and no awkward dents when you take them out. Another standout feature is the elastic band inside. It has just the right amount of stretch, not too tight, not too loose. So whether you have thick curls, fine strands, or something in between, these scrunchies hold your hair securely in place without slipping or causing headaches. And when you're not wearing them in your hair, they're cute enough to wear on your wrist like a fashion accessory. This 5-pack comes in sleek black, a versatile color that matches any outfit and suits all hair colors. Whether you're headed to work, the gym, a date, or just lounging at home, these scrunchies elevate your hair game without making a scene. They're especially great if you wear your hair up while sleeping, because they hold securely without snagging. What really makes them stand out is that they're designed for all hair textures. Curly, wavy, coily, or straight, these scrunchies don't discriminate. And if you've ever struggled to find hair ties that actually work with thick or textured hair, you know how rare that is. If you're looking for a thoughtful and practical gift, this 5-pack also checks all the boxes. Whether it's for a friend, a sister, or even as a little self-care treat, these satin scrunchies are stylish, useful, and beautifully packaged. Think Mother's Day, birthdays, stocking stuffers, they fit any occasion. Lastly, one thing RobeCurls emphasizes is customer satisfaction. They stand by their products and aim to deliver top-tier service with every purchase. That level of commitment adds serious value, especially when so many accessories today feel mass-produced and impersonal. So, if you're ready to level up your hair accessory game with something that looks amazing and treats your hair with care, the RobeCurls Satin Scrunchies are the best way to go. They're not just accessories, they're an experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you've tried them or have any questions. This has been Product Critique, your go-to for honest, hands-on reviews. See you in the next one.